Good evening, children. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn chapter bird watching. Let's start. Which bird holds its beak upside down while feeding? Answer is flamingo. Repeat with me. Flamingo. Which is a large white bird with long, strong wings that lives near the sea. Its baby bird weighs up to 16 kg. Answer is albatross. Repeat with me. Albatross. Which bird feeds her young ones so much that they become too fat to fly? Answer is gannet. Repeat with me. Gannet. Which small bird drinks 8 times more water than its actual body weight? Answer is hummingbird. Repeat with me. Hummingbird. Which flightless bird finds its prey through its sense of smell? Answer is kiwi. Repeat with me. Kiwi. Which bird has a beak with giant pouches that can hold up to 13 liters of water? Answer is pelican. Repeat with me. Pelican. Which ovenbird's nest is double the size of a football? Answer is Rufous hornero. Repeat with me. Rufous hornero. Which bird spits out a foul-smelling oil to keep away its enemies? Answer is fulmar. Repeat with me. Fulmar. Which bird catches its prey in its bill while flying? Answer is swallow. Repeat with me. Swallow. Which bird's feathers break down to produce a fine powder? Answer is heron. Repeat with me. Heron. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. And press the bell icon for every new upcoming videos.